As artists, we pour our hearts and souls into our work, hoping to bring our visions to life. However, the reality doesn't always align with our expectations. In this particular art piece, I encountered unexpected obstacles that tested my patience and pushed the boundaries of creativity. It feels like chaos on canvas, not what I envisioned at all. What went wrong? What am I missing? I thought I followed all the steps, studied all the techniques, but it's just not working. Maybe I need to just take a break, clear my mind, find some inspiration. Seeing the beautiful art created by others is inspiring. It reminds me that even experienced artists face challenges. I won't let this setback stop me. I will always push through and find my way. I will experiment, try new approaches, and let creativity guide me. Sometimes unexpected results can turn into something extraordinary. So don't be discouraged by unforeseen challenges. Embrace them and let them fuel your creativity. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.